Today we're going to remove the center dash speaker along with the both side pillar tweeters. We're going to start with our pry bar and move to the passenger side of the front dash panel. We're going to pry the back edge of this panel up, releasing clips. We're going to work our way across this panel, across the whole entire front of the dash. The back edge of this panel will release with pry pressure, releasing the clips. Once you've worked your way all the way across the back of the panel, you'll be able to lift the back edge up and pull it back away from the front windshield. This will give access to the speaker, which you can see through the windshield, for removal. For the side pillar, we're going to take our pry bar and move to the airbag insignia on the side of this panel and gently pry this airbag insignia from the panel. This will release, and you can set this to the side. It will also allow you to access one Phillips screw in this opening. We're going to remove this screw. This will help loosen up the side panel. We're going to pull the top edge of the panel back away from the pillar. This will release. Once the top is released, you want to pull this panel straight up out of the dash to release this panel. This will give access to the back of the panel. Locate the wires for the connector. The connector has a squeeze in to release. This will allow you to pry the tweeter from the panel. Also, when reinstalling the side panel, be sure the weather stripping along the door jamb is not pinched behind it. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our website for other help, and thank you for watching.